Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where you encounter the error, there was some problem installing updates in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So here's what you have to do. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side and in the right pane, scroll down and select troubleshoot. Select other troubleshooters and click on run corresponding to the Windows Update troubleshooter. And the next and main solution is to reset Windows Update components. So I have a script for you. Here's what you have to do with this script. Copy it and then search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on run as administrator, paste it here and hit enter. I'll tell you what this script does. Okay. It will stop the services associated with Windows updates. It will delete the Windows Update profile. It will delete the contents of the software distribution and Cat2 folders. It will re-register the DLLs. Then it will reset WinSock, and finally it will restart the services. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.